Hi Leo, welcome to your September 2020 reading. And I ask if this reading resonates with you, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Please remember that these are general readings, so take from them what you can and leave the rest for others. The roles can be reversed and the time is fluid. We have a card for you already. Wow. So, Leos, we already have the card of Empress for you here. Let's see what else, Spirit. What is the other energy you want to give me for the sign of Leo? For Leo, please. How many? I'll take one. We have Eight of Fire. Eight of Fire. That's nice. Leos, you guys are in for a treat in the month of September. That's what I see. A time of abundance has already begun for you, is what I am getting here. You guys have been wanting to start something new, a project, or see a completion of something old to your liking, and that is possible here in the month of September. Or you could be coming around people, resources, and things that will help you take your ideas forward. But these things are happening really, really fast. There are no more delays, I feel. It's like finally the wheel is moving for you. Too many things are happening at once. We also have the card of Ten of Cups here for you. Oh my god. Let me see. For Leo, please. I feel like some of you could even be, yeah, you people are closing yourself off to a relationship, or some kind of happy time you've had in a relationship or with someone. It's um, you you're you're no longer in your head about it, is what I see. And some of you are even a little confused where it's going. There's lacking in clarity, but you also want to move away from that, not focus on that so much, Leos. You are right now concerned about your growth and prospects leading to that. I also feel that you have had to juggle some kind of emotions, or deal with some confused emotions in the past, and I keep getting that in your reading. But you want to look away from that, you want to move on, you want clarity. Yeah, with the Seven of Swords here, you are wanting to walk away from this. You no longer want to be a part of something that just keeps you down or tied. With the card of the Emperor, you're going to be able to do that. I see new love offer coming in for you, Leo. You see, I see you guys, you have been trying to walk away from a previous relationship or a previous emotional attachment, and here I see you going forward. I see you trying to move away from that because there was either lack of clarity, or both parties were not very open with each other, and you felt that um, this kind of energy is not going to help you stay in a relationship, or you don't see a way forward with this, and that's why you thought about it and you stepped out. You're stepping out of confusion here, is what I'm seeing here, Leos. And yeah, okay, this is like a strong decision you're making. You didn't think, you stayed there, you waited for some time, you wanted resolution, but you didn't see anything coming in, and then you finally decided you have to move out, you have to step out of this energy, and you're doing that. For a lot of you, this does not mean breaking the connection completely with the person, but this is you gaining new spiritual understanding and stepping out of this energy of confusion into a place of clarity, a place of peace. And I definitely see a new relationship here, or yeah, this seems like a new relationship. But you guys, you got to watch out. everything that you have stepped out of hasn't completely cleared from your energy field, and the kind of energy you're about to step into also with this new offer coming in is more or less the same or even worse. So with the card of the devil appearing here, I want you to know things are not as rosy as the other person is trying to portray to you, or as you could be trying to portray to yourself. Like a Leo is in love with the idea of love. This isn't love. What I'm seeing here, a new relationship here in your life is not love. It's more of a temptation, wanting to try something new. Um, with the Queen of Swords, what is this? What is this energy? Show me clearly. You are actually trying to make yourself believe that you've got it and that everything is in control, Leos. But I feel that you need to dig deeper before you convince yourself that everything is okay here with this new relationship or this new person stepping into your life. Doubt. Go out and doubt if it especially comes to you in the middle of the month or towards the third week. And this is the Page of Wands energy in your life. I'm telling you, Leos, the kind of energy I'm seeing here, this is just this momentary, thing where you feel all happy and joyful about having someone or knowing someone like that stirs a feeling inside of you. But it's not for your highest good, is what I want you to know. Let me get more clarity from the universe deck. From the universe, give me more clarity here, please. What's coming into the life of Leos? Work wise, growth wise, the month is looking very good for you. But at the same time, with the swift inflow of energy, you could be feeling somewhat confused also, Leo. So that's one place. And especially in the case of relationship, you will need to watch out. We have take a moment. I'm telling you, the energies are going to flow in so fast. You're going to be a little confused about some things. And the card of take a moment is here that says, stop. Now is not the time to rush into decision you're about to make. Before this important decision is made, take a moment to pause and quiet your mind so that you can ask your soul for guidance before you act or move forward. We also have the card of support for you. People come into your life for many different reasons. Can I put it up with this? So I'm going to be talking to you with regards to the card of devil. People come into your life for many different reasons. Some you learn from and then they move on, while others return often because you need to learn more from those individuals. And here I think we're talking about the Page of Wands that we have. Others remain beside you throughout your entire life. You've got to segregate in your mind the kind of people you want to have around you forever, who are actually there to help and support you. They may not be the most loving person you see them or you want them to be right now, but in the long run, they are the ones who will stand by your side. But this Page of Wands appearing here in your reading is not the high holy energy I think you should settle for. So, Leos, let me draw some more cards for you. What's the fortune coming up for you like? What's it showing up for you like? We have the eagle. So like I told you, you have in this month you have the energy of the Empress overall. And the Empress is the woman or the energy that has a lot of potent ideas developing inside of her, just waiting to come out. And she operates from a place of power. With the eagle spirit animal, I am getting you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. That's what's meant for you here. But with the Eight of Fire, which is like the Eight of Wands in your Rider deck, this is also telling me that with new energies, new relationship is also possible here. And as much as I know you, Leos, you are holding your heart on your sleeve. You've got to step back from that angle and think about how you want your life to take shape and how you want prosperity to step in. That's what you should be thinking about right now, Leos. All right, that's what I have for you guys. Thank you for joining me for this reading. And if this reading resonates with you, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. And stay beautiful.